Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not available on the application of Duolingo. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Duolingo. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. After that you will go to Play Store. You will search about Duolingo. And then here you will update your app if you find the update. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.